A very cheerful morning to all my little angels. Happy monsoon. So, बारिश में ना आए? Okay. Children, along with that, you have to take care of your health also. And let me ask one thing from you. Have you gone through the lesson? The magic stick? Yeah. Have you gone? This one is the lesson. We have seen the video. We have done the explanation also. Small exercise from the video also. So, today we will be doing worksheet of the lesson the magic stick. So are you set with your notebook and pencil? This one is not a magic pencil, but it will be a simple pencil for you. So today we will be doing a worksheet of the magic stick. Let's start, children. So children, I was waiting for you. So are you ready? Are you set with your notebook? You have to write very neatly, isn't? So are you ready? Let's start with our worksheets. Okay. So our chapter is lesson is 4. That's the magic stick. Let's start, children. Tick the correct answer in each. You have to tick which one is the correct. One day, Jumbo sees and big open window. What he sees? Yes, open window. So what you will be doing? You have to tick on the correct one. It's open window. Now we move to the next one. Jumbo sees a monkey eating a banana or carrot. So have you read the lesson? No? What monkey was eating? It was a banana or carrot? It was a banana. Follow, children? Yes. Now we move to the another one. A crying, laughing Jumbo runs home to his mother. So Jumbo was crying or laughing when bees, what he did? They sting him. So he was crying or laughing. So he was, yes. So children, you have got the clue? Yes. Now we move to the next series. Why does Jumbo not know what to do with the pencil? Why he was not knowing what to do with the pencil? The pencil is not sharp. It is a small pencil. He has never seen a pencil. Yes. क्या हुआ? उसने कभी पेंसिल नहीं देखा था. It was a sharp pencil or the pencil was not sharp. It is a small pencil. Yes, tell me. Yes, you know. He has never seen a pencil. So where you are going to tick? Yes, he has never seen a pencil. Okay. Got it, children? Yes. Tapping a beehive with a pencil is a good or a bad idea? Yes, tell me, children. I repeat for you. Tapping a beehive with a pencil is a good or a bad idea? It's a good idea? No? Then yes, correct. So this one you will be doing on your own. Taking things that do not belong to you, it's a good or a bad habit. जो चीज़ें आपकी नहीं हैं उसको लेना चाहिए तो it's a good or a bad habit? Tell me. Yes, you have got the clue. From the words given in the box, circle those that describe Jumbo. आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा है ना? So have you gone through the chapter? No. So which quality described at Jumbo is a good, bad, baby, pencil or a naughty? Yes, you got the clue. He was a naughty. Yes. Now we will move to the next series. Who is Jumbo? Jumbo कौन था? What does he love to eat? Tell me, who was Jumbo? Jumbo was a baby elephant. What does he love to eat? Bananas, guavas, mangoes. Got it? Now you will be able to write your own. Yes, very good. What does Jumbo's mother tell him? What mother advised him to do? just go back and keep the pencil back. What mother advised Jumbo? That just go back and keep the pencil. What does Jumbo say to himself after he puts the pencil back? Yes, what he decides? Yes, what he decide? क्या बोला उसने? The things which does not belong to me, I should not take any time. Okay, Jumbo says to himself, the things which does not belong to me, I won't take it any time. So, it was a type of resolutions. Okay. Now, you have to think and answer. Okay. You have seen the video also. अभी आप सोचेंगे और बताएंगे. How does you want me to give a clue? You need a clue? Okay. How does Jumbo find the stick useful? उसको stick useful कैसे लगा? He was able to break the fruits from the tree. So he find the stick very useful. Why do you think the bees are angry? क्यों उनको गुस्सा आया? बीस को गुस्सा क्यों आया? क्योंकि उसने पत्थर मारा. जंबो ने पत्थर मारा. क्या किया? He tapped the bees, so they were angry. Why the bees were angry? Because what the Jumbo did? He tapped the bees with the pencil. Next one, we'll move to the next one now, children. If you need to write, just pause the video and write it down. Why does Jumbo feel that the pencil is a magic stick? Tell me. You have to think and answer. You can write on your own. See, why does Jumbo feel that the pencil is a magic stick? How he came to know that the pencil is a magic stick? You can write with many more ideas in this. Why? Because the boy came to know that who has stolen the pencil. Yes. So Jumbo came to know that whoever steals the pencil comes to know because it was a magic stick. So the chapter's name is a magic stick. Why do you think Jumbo has a smile on his face when he walks back home? Because he decides not to take the things that belongs to some another one. मैं वो चीज़ें नहीं लूँगा जो और किसी की हैं. So when he goes home, so he has a smile on his face. Why does Jumbo put the colorful stick inside the mouth? पेंसिल क्यों डाला उसने मुंह में? Why does Jumbo put the colorful stick inside the mouth? To taste. What? Why? What was the reason? Tell me, children. Why does Jumbo, I repeat for you, put the colorful stick? To taste. Yes, it's a correct. You are right. So Jumbo put the colorful stick inside the mouth to have a taste of that pencil because he thought, what's this? This is something unique. I have never seen it. We have seen in the textbook, in the video also, no? So it was a unique thing for him. So he thought, why not to taste this? So he tasted. So to taste the pencil, he put the pencil in his mouth. Okay. So this is the worksheet which you have to copy down in your notebook. Not each and every answer today itself, but you can write 3 to 4 every day or 2 to 3 every day. So I hope, children, you have followed the whole worksheet. Take the correct answer as well as question answers, each and everything you have to jot it down in your notebook. Okay, beta. So this was the end of a chapter. Hope you have learned the worksheet and understood. So take care, stay blessed, happy learning, children.